Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the Brave web browser for desktop has received a maintenance update and a very important security update to the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on. And this update was made available on the 22nd of March. Now, at first, to see if you have the update, we always, as many of you will know, head to the menu, click on About Brave, and the latest version of the browser is 1.49.128. And the Chromium platform, as mentioned, has received some important security fixes and has been bumped up to 111.0.5563.110. Now, first of all, just to mention some of the maintenance fixes that have rolled out, because this is a two-sided update. And first of all, the wallet has received 2 bug fixes, which always seems to be getting improvements and fixes in every update that basically rolls out for the Brave web browser. So if you are using the wallet, 2 bug fixes are rolling out for that. And then if we head over to a sponsored image, if you have sponsored images enabled for your new tab page, they've added a clickable, as you can see, you can click on the center now area on the new tab page if you have sponsored images, which basically just redirects you over to what that sponsored image is all about. And then there's a new flag called Brave Copy Clean Link by default. So I'll mention that again. There's a new flag, Brave Copy Clean Link by default, which when enabled will add the ability to disable the keyboard shortcut for Copy Clean Link. So that flag will disable the keyboard shortcut for Copy Clean Link, which you may find useful if that is a shortcut that you are not using. And then they've rolled out a couple of bug fixes. The first is they fixed an issue where the keyboard shortcut incorrectly copied URL instead of the selected text in certain cases on Mac OS. And then another Copy Clean Link fix is rolled out, and they have fixed an issue where the Copy Clean Link context menu option wasn't displaying the associated keyboard shortcut on Linux. So that's a fix for macOS users and Linux users. And then once again, the Brave News, if you are using Brave News, has received a fix. And then as mentioned, the big one here is they have upgraded to the latest Chromium platform, which brings important security fixes to the Brave web browser. And these are the same security fixes that did roll out to the Google Chrome web browser, which have now made their way to Brave. And then we'll eventually get to the Edge web browser, Vivaldi, Opera, and so on. Now, there are 8 security flaws that have been addressed with this latest Chromium security update. And although there are no 0 days exploits that have been exploited in the wild, there are 8 high-risk vulnerabilities. So all of those security flaws are high risk, which is your second highest after a critical. So very important to double-check that your Brave web browser is up to date. As I always mentioned, it is your first line of defense to the online world. So as mentioned, double-sided update now being made available. A maintenance bug fix update with a couple of fixes and improvements, and then that security update to the Chromium platform. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.